Logo: Amiya Palm Valley. A bird's eye view of the geometrically designed swimming pool, complete with cabanas and palm trees. Stepping through the red door that opens to the clubhouse, one finds modernistic furnishings in a light setting. Tables and chairs are set up under pendant light fixtures. A TV screen is embedded in a partial wall over an electric fireplace. The community kitchen features a wet bar and counter with wooden bar stools. A glass-enclosed conference room is furnished with seating for 6 around a conference table with rounded corners. The state-of-the-art fitness center is stocked with cardio machines, lifting equipment, and free weights. Outside under a shaded area is set up upholstered sofas and avant-garde chairs and tables. Lounge chairs rim the nearby swimming pool. The apartment homes open to the kitchen, which features stainless steel appliances, wood cabinetry, and a porcelain tile backsplash. The island cabinet doubles as a breakfast bar. Stepping through a cased opening through the kitchen leads into the laundry area, which is furnished with a full-size washer and dryer. Inset in the living area's back wall is a sliding glass door that opens to a patio or balcony. Both living area and master bedroom are furnished with a ceiling fan. The walk-in wardrobe closets are installed with built-in shelving. The bathroom vanity features under-sink cabinetry and a 3-shade light fixture over the framed mirror. Goodyear, Arizona, home to the Amiya Palm Valley Apartments, is a happening locale. The Goodyear Civic Square is a 3-minute drive away. The downtown area is packed with such establishments as the High Tide Seafood Restaurant and Distillery, a Tennessee-based restaurant and bar. The Westgate Entertainment District is a 16-minute drive away from the Amiya. The monument sign brings it home, Amiya Palm Valley.